Today, we're looking at 5 tablets that are powerful enough to make traditional laptops feel unnecessary for most people. Because let's be honest, not everyone needs a heavy, expensive machine anymore. If your daily routine revolves around emails, video meetings, browsing, streaming, studying, or light productivity work, spending $1,000 or more on a laptop just doesn't make sense anymore. Modern tablets have quietly evolved. They boot instantly, stay cool and silent, last longer on battery, and in many cases cost hundreds less than the average laptop, while still handling real work without frustration. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, one of these devices might completely change how you think about carrying a laptop. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Go 4. Starting off the list is a tablet made for people who simply can't leave Windows behind. The Microsoft Surface Go 4 proves that you don't need a bulky budget laptop just to run familiar desktop apps. Instead of buying a slow $500 laptop that struggles with multitasking, this gives you a cleaner and more portable Windows experience. It features a compact 10.5-inch PixelSense display that looks sharp and remains comfortable for reading documents, answering emails, or managing spreadsheets on the go. Inside, you're getting a 12th Gen Intel Core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and SSD storage, specs that closely match many entry-level laptops. The difference? This tablet wakes instantly, runs quietly, and avoids the overheating problems common in cheaper laptops. Add the type cover keyboard, and it transforms into a surprisingly capable productivity machine. With pen support included, note-taking and PDF markup feel far more natural than using a traditional touchpad. Battery life lands around a full working day, making it ideal for students, travelers, or remote workers who prioritize portability. For roughly the price of a low-end laptop, this becomes a smarter and lighter Windows alternative. Number 4. Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. Next up is a tablet that flies under the radar but delivers serious value. The Lenovo Tab P12 Pro doesn't rely on flashy marketing, yet it quietly competes with mid-range laptops in everyday performance. Its large 12.6-inch AMOLED display with Dolby Vision makes everything look premium, whether you're editing documents, watching lectures, or streaming movies. Colors are vibrant, text stays crisp, and scrolling feels incredibly smooth. Powered by a flagship-level Snapdragon processor with generous RAM and storage, multitasking feels effortless. Multiple browser tabs, video calls, music streaming, and productivity apps run together without lag or fan noise. Add the keyboard pen case, and it transforms into a legitimate typing workstation. With the Precision Pen, note-taking and annotations feel far more natural than using a traditional touchpad. Battery life delivers all-day usability in a much slimmer form factor, often for the same price as an average mid-tier notebook. At number 3, we step into true laptop replacement territory. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra is massive, powerful, and almost excessive, but that's exactly why it works so well. Its enormous 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display feels closer to a portable workstation than a tablet. Reading long documents, editing spreadsheets, or multitasking across apps becomes incredibly comfortable thanks to the large canvas and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the Snapdragon flagship processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, delivers performance that rivals many premium laptops. The S Pen adds real productivity benefits, from note-taking and sketching to detailed document editing. Then there's Samsung DeX Mode. Connect a keyboard and mouse, and the interface transforms into a desktop-style environment with resizable windows and full multitasking support, something many people still assume tablets can't do. Yes, it costs more than others on this list, but compared to similarly priced laptops, it's quieter, lighter, and often more enjoyable for everyday computing. Number 2. OnePlus Pad 3. Coming in second is one of the biggest surprises in the tablet space. The OnePlus Pad 3 focuses on speed, simplicity, and real-world productivity without pushing flagship pricing too far. You get a large 13.2-inch high-resolution display with an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling through documents and browsing feel incredibly fluid. Powered by a flagship Snapdragon chipset with plenty of RAM, it handles multitasking effortlessly. Emails, meetings, productivity apps, and background media, all running smoothly at once. Unlike many laptops, it stays silent and cool even during heavy usage. Battery life is another highlight. The massive battery comfortably lasts an entire workday, and fast charging means you're never stuck waiting hours to get back to work. Pair it with the keyboard and stylus accessories, and it becomes a powerful, everyday productivity system that's lighter and easier to carry than most laptops. For many users, this is where tablets start making laptops feel outdated. And taking the top spot is the tablet that strikes the best balance between performance, practicality, and price. The Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4 feels like the most realistic laptop replacement for the majority of people. Its 12.4-inch display uses a productivity-friendly aspect ratio that makes reading documents, multitasking in split screen, and editing content far more comfortable than standard tablet layouts. Performance comes from a powerful Snapdragon chipset capable of handling multiple apps, browser tabs, video meetings, and creative tasks without slowdown. Add the keyboard and stylus case, and you essentially get a lightweight productivity setup ready for work, study, or entertainment. Battery life easily pushes beyond a full day of mixed usage, eliminating the constant search for charging outlets. What really makes this tablet stand out is value. For hundreds less than many laptops, it delivers the performance and flexibility most users actually need, without noise, heat, or unnecessary bulk. The truth is, laptops aren't disappearing overnight, but for a huge number of people, they're no longer necessary. If your work revolves around communication, browsing, streaming, studying, or light productivity, these tablets prove you can go lighter, quieter, and often cheaper without sacrificing performance. And now the question becomes simple. Do you really need a laptop anymore, or just the right tablet?